So friends, let's start with today's lovely recipe of chicken stew. Let's go through the ingredients. So here I've taken about 150 grams of chicken cut into cubes, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 8 to 10 French beans chopped, 1 light green chili slit, 1 medium-sized potato peeled and chopped, about half a cup of green peas, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, half an inch of cinnamon, 4 cloves and 1 cardamom or elaichi, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, some salt to taste. Now here in a pan I've taken about a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the whole spices, that is the cinnamon, the cardamom and the cloves, and I'm going to just fry them a bit so that they flavor the oil. Next, I will add in my chopped up onion. Now we're going to fry the onion till it's nice and translucent. I'm also going to add the green chili, which I've just slit in the middle, and that also will flavor the oil and add a nice spice to it. So just fry the chili well. Now I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. Now if you're making the paste at home, then use half an inch of ginger and about 4 cloves of garlic and make it a nice fine paste. Now we're going to fry all of this really well. Next I'm going to add my chicken cubes to the bagar, and I'm going to fry the chicken just a little bit in this bagar. Next, I'm going to add the haldi powder or the turmeric powder. Give it a mix. This will add a lovely flavor as well as give a lovely color to this stew. Next, I'm going to add the tomato, and I'm going to fry the tomato till it becomes nice and soft. Next, I'm going to add the coriander powder, the cumin powder, as well as the pepper powder. Now to make all these powders, what I do is I, roast them, dry roast these powders and grind them to a nice fine powder. Now I've drained the water from the potatoes that I peeled and chopped, and I've added the cubed up potatoes also to this bagar. Next I'm going to add the carrots and the French beans, and I'm going to saute all of this really well. Now when you fry all of this well, it really flavors the stew and you get an amazing delicious stew. Now I'm going to cover and cook this for 3 minutes. Next I'm going to add the peas, mix it up well, and again cover it and cook it for about another 3 minutes. We want everything to really come together really well and taste really delicious. So again I'm going to mix everything. Now we're cooking on a medium flame. Doesn't it look lovely, all the lovely veggies in this stew? Now I'm going to season it with some salt to taste. Just a tip over here, always add less salt first, and then later on after you taste it, you can always add more. Again, fry all of this really well. So you get to eat, your veggies, you get to eat some meat, protein. This stew is really amazing, and it's so quick to prepare. What you can do is you can just chop up all your veggies and keep it aside, and when you're ready to make the stew, just get everything together. So now we're going to again cover and cook for another 2 minutes. So just fry everything nice and well. And you can check now that your chicken pieces are nice and cooked. You can just, with your spoon or spatula, just break up the chicken and it should be cooked by now. Now we're going to add the chicken stock. And we're going to mix it well. Now you can make the chicken stock by actually boiling some chicken or meat and then extracting the stock, or the shortcut is just take some hot water in a cup, 1 cup of water, and add about 2 or 3 soup cubes, and your stock is all ready. Now let the mixture come to a nice boil. So you can use the chicken Maggi cubes or the chicken soup cubes. Just put them in some hot water and that's your stock. So that's a real shortcut method to get some lovely stock. Now I'm going to add my thick coconut milk. Again over here, you can actually, grind the coconut and extract the milk, or just take 1 cup of hot water and add about 4 or 5 tablespoons of ready-made coconut milk powder, and your coconut milk is also ready. And that's it, friends. All our ingredients are done with. Now we just have to stir this mixture and let the mixture come to a nice gentle boil on a low to medium flame. And once the mixture comes to a boil, we're just going to stir it, and then we're just going to cover and cook it and simmer it for another 5 minutes, and our stew is all ready. Now you can have this stew with appams, you can have it with some rice, but my favorite is to have this with some pao. You just dip the pieces of pao in this amazing stew and soak up all this lovely gravy, and it's just mind-blowing and amazing. So I hope you give this recipe a try, guys, and let me know in the comments section how you liked it. Thanks for watching.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.